Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm still in Addis Ababa, and I've been loving this city, and it's a very awesome, growing, fastest growing city, I would say, in Africa. There's so many buildings coming up. There's that coming up. If you look farthest, there are those ones that are actually being built. So Addis Ababa is actually growing very fast here. So what I want to show in this video is 1,500 USD apartment here in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. It's a very awesome apartment. So in Kenya shillings, it can be like 170,000 Kenya shillings a month. So this apartment behind me, it costs like $1,500 every single month. So let me take you guys around, and yeah, but I would say Addis is a very awesome city, and yeah, so let's see what 1,500 USD can get you here in Addis Ababa. Now guys, that is what 1,500 USD can get you here in Addis Ababa every single month. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, very beautiful. Others actually, these ones here. So yeah, Addis Ababa is a very expensive, and I won't lie about that. It's a very, very expensive city. And the cheapest things, I would say things like alcohol, beer. Oh, I love that. I love the Habesha one, and there's the St. George. So I've drunk kind of so many beers here in Addis Ababa. Things like clothes, apparently they don't bring second-hand clothes in this country. It's kind of a crime here. They don't do a lot of things. So yeah, but I love the city, the vibe. However, how much at night it's always cold, but the vibe here, it's always awesome. So that's what 1,500 USD can get you here in Addis Ababa. So if this is your first time watching this channel or checking out this channel, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Another thing before I forget, the city of Addis Ababa, it's also a kind of residential place where you'll walk and find people living inside the city. It's in Nairobi, it's actually totally different. Like you'll get like 5% of people only staying in the city, but here everywhere you go you'll see clothes hanged around, not in a bad way, but kind of an organized way. So yeah.